Writing academic English can be very easy at times. Why? Because a good deal of it is very predictable. For every paragraph, the essential building block of any longer composition, there is structure and order. The first part of the paragraph is the most essential. When you visit a country and you're looking for a hotel, and you find one where the lobby is unorganized and untidy, chances are you probably wouldn't be staying there. The same case goes for the opening sentences of paragraphs. If they're not organized and if they don't attract the reader, he or she will not be very interested in reading the rest of the paragraph. Therefore, the topic sentence is critical. Writing a good topic sentence is the key to good writing. Here, we'll briefly share with you what the winning recipe is. First, you have to introduce the topic. This is important so the reader has a general idea about what you'll be writing about. For instance, let's take the English language as a topic. After you've introduced the topic, you'll need to express what your focus or opinion is on the topic. This is called the controlling idea. It controls how you feel about the topic. Some examples. English is an important language for medicine. English is the topic here, and is an important language for medicine is the controlling idea. English helps one to make connections with people all over the world. English is the topic. Helps one to make connections with people all over the world is the controlling idea. It's how the writer feels about the English language. English is easy to learn by following these simple tips. Again, English is the topic, and is easy to learn by following these simple tips is the controlling idea. It's how the writer feels about the English language. In all of these paragraph prompts, English is the topic, but we can see how each paragraph has a specific focus on how the writer will speak about the English language, otherwise the controlling idea. Visit us for more details on not keeping topic sentences too narrow nor too broad, how to use more colorful language, and much more.